Euro US dollar, GBP US dollar, and Australian dollar US dollar. These three currency pairs can give you more than 500 pips this period. In fact, give you more than 1 month trading profit. Yet a lot of persons would not be able to enter at the right time. So many persons have entered more than 10 trades, and then this one is in profit, so it is in loss, and they have mixed up everything. But that is not how swing traders should approach the market. In this video, I want to go through the analysis of these three pairs again and show you the right places that you need to enter this trade, because swing traders are patient people and we have to wait for the right setup to materialize before we place our trades. So without wasting time, let's go in and see the analysis. Looking at Euro US dollar, you already know that we are looking for sell opportunity on the Euro US dollar, because from the weekly time frame, if you look at the analysis I did on the 18th of April, I told you guys that this currency pair is going to be a sell. At that time, we were around here. I used the Fibonacci retracement because you can see from here that we are in a downtrend. From this level, I drew the Fibonacci retracement from here to this point. I told you guys that I'm expecting to take a sell on this trade, so actually placed a pending order, two pending orders, one at the 61.8 fib level and the other one at the 78.6 fib level. Okay, so this is the daily time. I'm patiently waiting. You see that there is a kind of trend forming, and I'm waiting for this trade to trade towards this zone or this place. Then I will enter the trade for a sell. In the last video I did on the 18th of April, you can watch that analysis. It's there. Stop losses I calculated in that previous one. I want to invite you to join our Weldds Forex Academy. I am going to take you from beginners to advanced trading within 2 months, and the opportunity is there for you to join us today with just $60. There is a paystack link for people that are in Nigeria. Use that paystack link to send a payment of just 60,000 naira to join this course. When you send that money, send a WhatsApp message to the number displayed so that you will be added to the group. And if you are outside Nigeria, we also provide you a payment link. You can send a WhatsApp message and see you in that course. Within 2 months, you will be taken from complete beginners. And I have observed something about some of the training courses that are online. It's either they will take you on advanced technical analysis, but this course is going to cover everything you know in fundamental, sentimental analysis and technical analysis. Within 2 months, you will gain absolute mastery in this profitable skill called forex trading. So I would like to see you in that course. Without wasting time, click on the link and join us. For pound against US dollar, if you watch the analysis I did on the 18th, it is not much different from the one we are doing today. We are actually on the daily time frame. You can see that this trade has been in a downtrend. If you take your trend line from here, you see that there is a significant trend that has formed on the daily time frame. I will still be waiting for trading opportunity from this level down here on the daily time frame. So I'm hoping that this trade will retrace to somewhere around the 61.8 level. So if this push goes to the 61.8 level, it will be an ideal position. Also, it can also come here with a wick, and it can also be a good position, but where I'll be targeting to enter this trade will be at this point. Now, whenever you are doing this kind of analysis, you need to bear in mind, if for any reason this trade comes here and break this low, then the analysis will change. You will look for another trading setup. Okay, just like what happened last week. Last week the trade was around here. If I delete this, somehow I was expecting the trade to push from this level back up here before we take the trade, but that didn't happen. When this level was broken, now this is what happened last week. When this level was broken last week, I went to 1 hour time frame. This was the trade I took last week, and I just want to show you how I traded. After I had posted that analysis, you observe that this level was broken. This is the 1 hour time frame. You can see we were somewhere around here hoping for that push, but it didn't happen. Rather, it came down and started this series of consolidation. I was observing the consolidation for an entry, then finally it broke this level. After it broke this level, I saw a trading setup. So what I did, I took the Fibonacci retracement from here down to this level, and if you zoom out, I entered the trade at the 61.8 fib level for a sell. So if you take this short position, this was where I took that trade. My stop loss was, and I targeted 3 times of whatever I was risking on that trade. That was the opportunity. I saw only one opportunity last week, but ideally what I will be doing is what I showed you previously. If I remove all the drawings, and go back to the daily time frame, just like I told you, this is what I'll be waiting for. I'm waiting for a push this thing to complete from here down. So I'll be looking for the sell around this zone. Now someone asked me the way I set my stop loss and take profit. Now this particular trade, because I like to set the trade and forget it. If the trade goes to my entry, good. If it doesn't go, I wait for it. But I don't rush trades. I analyze beforehand. I set pending orders and wait for whenever the trade goes there, because rushing trades is not the best thing for all of us. Trades will always be there, and I'm not a day trader. I am a swing trader, so I have more time and patience to wait for my setup to mature, right? So if you do that, you can use the ATR position size calculator to set the stop loss and take profit. Now the final trade today, AUDUSD. This is what we saw. There is a high at this point, and there was a low here that was broken, and there is another low at this point. Okay, so those 3 places. If you zoom out on this is the weekly time frame actually, so the weekly will not give us entry points. Okay, you can see that we have an opportunity to come back here, because last week the market broke this low pointing down. If you come down to the daily time frame, this is what we see, that the market actually started the downtrend. It's in a downtrend from here, went down, came to this level, and has created this low. That is a downtrend. Another point where this trade can be is that if you look at the daily time frame, this was a high, this was a low, this was a high, and it has created another low. So I'm still expecting another low to be formed, although this level was significant. I always trade with the Fibonacci level. From this level down to here on the daily time frame, we have this level to contend with, but at the moment it has not yet touched there. So I'll be looking for my entry around the 61.8 fib level and around the 78.6 fib level. Those are the 2 points where I'll be looking for entries. If you come to 4-hour time frame, you can see that the market got to the 50% and showed signs of retracement, but I did not take the trade. If it comes here and gives me a solid reversal candle pattern, I can take the trade with proper risk calculation, and if it comes here and gives me, this will be my best place to take the trade. All right, so that is that about the Australian dollar. So you need to actually prepare for your trade, plan ahead and trade your plan. There is no rush in this game. It's better you protect your capital than just come here and be taking trades. Some people have taken 20 trades already. I don't know how they are able to achieve that. Okay, but you need to be patient. Swing traders will wait for the right setup and will take the trade. And that is that about the Australian dollar, US dollar.